Hello everyone, this is Jason in here to introduce our function in here. And the first one I want to introduce our function is to recognize mathematical formulas. Let me show for you. And click here, select, and to recognize. And in here we choose this one. And we can see this is our formula in here. And we can choose 3D and 2D. And this function is to insert our photo. And we can choose a photo in here. And we can choose multiply pictures. And you can see. And we can make it bigger or smaller. And we can choose recognize the picture text. You can see in here. And we can make it more bigger. And now let me to show you our display can to recognize my text. And click here. And let me to select the word. And this display will choose speak.
Yeah, no.
Okay. And let me talk with our display. Interactive. Okay, it can successfully to recognize what I talk. And the next, let me to translate this one to Vietnamese or another word. You can see in here everyone can be choose.